How about making a mobile interface? Can I build a mobile interface? Camera, yep. Just doesn't, the camera is not live fed. Like in Windows, if we added the camera, you would see the window, the camera window. You don't see that with this. And how about a joystick pad? Can we change the button? Can we change the image here? Like, whoa. It only supports certain images though, because I thought I had more files in here, like a dancing hamster, but I guess not. Let's click save. Okay, there we go. So that loaded. As we demonstrated, you can still make the robot dance. You can use the camera, you can use audio. It looks as if you can use projects that are pretty basic until you start getting into very specific stuff like web servers and things. But I don't think that's a problem. Yeah, I think you could get around. You can get around most of these issues here. Video player, that probably doesn't work. Yeah. Floor mapping, Wii controllers, plugins, scripting. I don't know if there's anything in here that wouldn't work. The script flow, that doesn't work. Variable watcher, we know that worked because we saw it in the editor. Let's see, servo. Yeah, most of these things here look, they don't jump out like there should be an issue. Oh, look at this, the Sphero. I wonder if that would work. Let's add it. Oh, wow. Holy jeez, look at that. So you can connect the Sphero to the Raspberry Pi and it would work. Look at that. Is that ever fantastic? How about, let's look what else there is in that section. A Roomba. I guarantee you the Roomba is going to work. There's no reason why it shouldn't, because it's using the serial protocol, which is the same as the Dynamixer. The AR drone, I have a sneaky suspicion it will not work. Let's try it. Ooh. Cool. Okay. What else? Touch, and then ultrasonic. Wow, that's great. So there's a lot more working than I thought. Is that ever fantastic? All right. Boom. Cannot activate something. Huh. Well, that's pretty wild. That was a lot of fun. Huh. Well, Raspberry Pi. Cool. Okay, guys. I think that is good for me for today.